At least 17 people died during cattle raid in Panyijiar County. Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. According to this report, a tragic incident has happened in Unity State after army men attacked a cattle camp in Panyijiar County. According to local officials, at least 17 people were killed during the attack. Several others were also injured and are now receiving medical treatment. The violence happened on Friday when army youths believed to have come from Rumbek County in Lake State crossed into neighboring Panyijiar County in Unity State. A report suggests that they say the attacker targeted a cattle camp belonging to Nuer community. In many parts of South Sudan, cattle are not only a source of food and income, but cattle are also an important part of family life and culture. Because of this, cattle raid often lead to deadly fighting. A military commissioner from Panyijiar County by the name Stephen Guy say people from both sides were killed during the clash. According to him, 5 army youths from Panyijiar lost their life, while 7 others were wounded. He also claimed that 12 people from the attacking group were killed during the fighting. These numbers bring the total report to death to 17 people. According to the military commissioner, the wounded victims are currently receiving treatment. The attack has once again raised concern about insecurity in several communities where cattle raids continue to happen despite repeated call for peace. For many families, cattle represent years of hard work and wealth. Losing cattle can destroy a family's livelihood. Sadly, attempts to steal cattle often end in violent confrontation that cost many lives. Residents in the area have experienced similar incidents before. Every time violence breaks out, families are forced to live in fear. Some people leave their home while others lose relatives, animals, and property. The latest attack has left many people asking when lasting peace will finally come to these communities. Let's look at different official response based on the incident that happened there. After news of the incident spread, government official responded. Unity State Information Minister Nyakenya Jonas Kare confirmed that an attack had taken place. However, she explained that she was still collecting more information before making detailed comment. She also said that the state government official recognized Gabriel Magogbol as the commissioner of Panyijiar County. Because of this, she did not want to comment on a statement made by another local official until more fact has been verified. Meanwhile, attempts to receive comment from Lake State officials were unsuccessful. This means authorities are still gathering information as investigation continue. Cattle raid remains one of the biggest security problems in several parts of South Sudan. In many communities, cattle are extremely valuable. A family depend on them for milk, food, income, and traditional marriage practices. Because cattle are so important, criminal group and army use sometimes organize raid to steal large numbers of animals. When communities try to defend their cattle, fighting often began. Sadly, these clashes usually result in death and injuries. Over the years, local leaders, church leaders, community leaders, and humanitarian organizations have called for peaceful solution. Many believe that stronger security dialogue between neighboring communities and youth engagement could reduce this repeated attack. However, violence continues to affect many rural areas. For the families who lost loved ones during this latest incident, the pain will remain long after the fighting has ended. Many people are now hoping that local authorities from both Unity State and Lagos State will work together to prevent more violence in the future. If you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Let me meet you on the next video.